Today we're making bourbon glazed salmon. It's a great dish for busy weeknights. So let's start with the glaze. A little bit of brown sugar, maple syrup, fresh garlic, and ginger, finely minced, a little crushed red pepper, scallions, and bourbon. And you also have to add soy sauce or tamari. Then we pick out any pin bones that might be left in the fish. Just use tweezers to get them out. And slice into your portions. And then we're going to heat up a pan. I use sesame oil, and when the pan is hot, you add the fish. You want it to get a really good sear. Now, it might take 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and this leaves it just to a good medium on the inside of the fish. If you like it more well done, then cook it longer. Then we add the glaze. So just dab on that bourbon and maple glaze and serve with some fresh scallions, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. This brings out a little bit of acidity and just makes it pop. Enjoy.